All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today let's take a look at what's going on around the shop. All right, so Bam Bam has this V8 BMW that he is doing valve stem seals on for oil burning. 45-hour job. Pretty intensive. We got a special kit to do it. And he is having tons of fun on it. I have a Highlander here. Customer request is to pass emissions. Unfortunately, he has evap codes, a thermostat code, and rear O2 sensor fault codes for lack of activity, and I'll put a picture up here, but he's got anti-foulers in it because obviously he has cat problems. And since it's overcast and I'm actually able to film without being full on dark, I got that BMW out there, wrote it up for valve cover, drive belt tensioner, the sensors for the brake pads, because apparently somebody didn't update it when they did the brakes. I have another BMW right here with alternator has died. I also have that Volkswagen right there with misfires. That Chrysler product actually I diagnosed earlier in the week. Blown head gaskets is actually from a friend of mine's shop. They already wrote it up for needing head gaskets and they wanted a second opinion, so we gave it to them. It still needs an engine. Audi customer complaint is oil leak, and unfortunately it's leaking out of that oil filter housing, just the cap, so not a big deal. Waiting for a new filter in the morning and see if that fixes it. If not, I'll get a cap from Audi. Well, that's Zach's truck. He's driving a Tiguan. He put a turbo in today for boost codes. Wastegate is, well, dead. Acura, he is doing the oil pump and all that. We actually had a heck of a time getting that off. I had to use the mini ductor to heat it up to actually get it to come off. It was stuck on like a mother. It was not fun, so we had to wait for a keyway to come in because trying to get it off, we kind of chewed up the keyway a little bit. So, did that. Josh is actually off. So Jesse is using his bay. He's got a Fusion with some coolant leaks. We already did the water pump. Already out of warranty, but it's not the water pump leaking, it's the heater hoses. So he's gonna do that in the morning. Daniel has this Infinity, putting a master cylinder on it. And he had to fix a do-it-yourself battery installation. Jesse knocked out a bunch of AC work today. Other than that Fusion, he got everything else done and gone. Cole knocked out a bunch of brake jobs, bunch of oil changes. So he's got one car left out there today. And then he's got to do a brake job on a Silverado, and then I get to diagnose the ABS faults. He's got metal on metal, so can't drive it and diagnose it when, you know, not safe to drive. Oh, and Daniel also has this Santa Fe with a rusted brake line. Yeah, we don't get rust. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.